Hello guys, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about types of milling cutters. The first one is flat end mill cutter. This is also known as square end mill cutters. Its corners are sharp and will generate 90-degree angle. These can be single-ended type or double-ended type. These are made of solid carbide or various composition of high-speed steel. Carbide types are most productive. These are used for operations like plunging, grooving, side milling, face milling, counter boring, etc. And these are available in wide varieties of diameter and size. The next one is rough end mill. These are also known as hogging or ripping end mill cutters. These have having heavy concave outer float. These are used for deep slotting or heavy side cut operations. These require less power than the conventional end mills. These are designed to remove large amount of material quickly and more efficiently than standard end mill. The next one is ball end mill. These are also known as ball nose cutters. End of the tool grounded with full radius equal to half of the tool diameter. These are used for 3D profiling, finishing, contour, mesh, bump, pencil operations. This smaller diameter can be used for engraving operation. The next one is shell end mill cutters. These are any of face mill or end mill cutters whose construction takes a modular form. The arbor made separately from the body of cutter, which is called as shell, and attach the arbor via any of the joining methods. Next one is slab mill. Slab mills are used for machining surfaces which are large as well as broad in shape. These are made of high speed steel. These are mostly used in gang milling operations. This dovetail cutter. Dovetail cutter is an end mill whose form leaves behind a dovetail slot. Dovetail joint is used in woodworking and metalworking as a way of creating extremely strong joints. Dovetails are typically 45-degree or 60-degree. The next one is hollow mill cutter. These are also known as inside out end mills. They are shaped like piece of pipe with thicker walls. They are used on turret lathe as an alternative to turning with a box tool. This can perform multiple operations in single pass and can perform trepanning operation using this tool. Next one is side and face cutter. This is designed with cutting teeth in its side as well as circumferences. Commonly used in pairs for straddle milling and gang milling operations. These are used in horizontal milling machine to mill slot, shoulders, small wide surfaces. The next one is woodruff cutter. These are used to cut keyway for woodruff key. These are slightly hollow ground on the sides for relief, and the teeth are not side cutting. The teeth come in both straight and staggered varieties. Fly cutter. This is a single point tool, mostly used as a surfacing tool. It is held and rotated by fly cutting arbor cutting tool shaped like a lathe tool bit. Next one is face mill cutter. The tool is designed for facing and it provides a flat surfaces after machining. Cutting edges are located along its side. Teeth are disposable carbide insert, allow large and efficient face mill. Next is involute gear cutter. Cutting tool designed for milling gears. For cutting the teeth to suit a special gear shape is called involute form. These are designed as arbor mounted cutter for machine tools. Next is thread mill cutter. Threads may be milled with rotating a tool in a helical toolpath. As compared to other taps and single point tools, thread mills are faster in cycle time, thus having less tool breakage. The left or right hand thread can be created with the same tool. Next is hobbing cutter. Hob is a cylindrical in shape with helical cutting edges. It is used for mass production of gears. Multi-point cutting performed simultaneously. Next is keyway end mill. Keyway end mills are manufactured with undesired cutting diameter to produce a tight fit between the keyway slot. This is chamfer mill for chamfering operation. This is radius end mill, lollipop end mill, mainly used in 5-axis machining. Center drill, spot drill, standard drill, reaming tool, counter boring drill, counter sink drill, boring tool, back boring tool, spot face tool, tapping tool. Thank you for watching.